If you've been uploading videos but you're still struggling to grow, you see, the problem might not just be your content. It could be that your channel itself is the problem. An optimized channel is a different ball game from a channel that is not optimized. Okay, when your channel is fully optimized, you will be professionally recommended by YouTube every time, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to optimize your YouTube channel step by step, so that viewers can take you seriously and YouTube will recommend your videos at all times. Now, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Joy, and on this channel I create videos about tips and strategies on how to grow your channel and monetize fast. So if this sounds like something you like, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon so that when I drop a video you get notified, and share this video as well. Okay, now the first thing I would suggest you do to that particular channel that is not growing is to brand your channel, guys. It's very important. It's called channel branding. This is naming your channel. It's very essential. Your channel name and visuals matters more than you think. A lot of people create channels and they don't even know how to optimize. They don't touch it, they don't customize, they don't do anything, just start uploading videos. Now choose a name that is clear, a name that is very clear for everybody to be able to pronounce, because you're going to be having audience from all parts of the world, especially when your content is very interesting. So choose a name that is clear, that is easy to remember, that reflects, and that also reflects your niche. Is important, guys. So when you're done with all of that, design a channel banner just as you can see on mine, okay, and my profile picture, that instantly tells viewers what you do. So please consider having a very clear name and channel branding, because if you don't do that, people will just walk away. If you want to know how to brand a channel, watch this video. Okay, now the next thing is the about section of your channel. A lot of creators abandon this, but your about section is one of the first places that new viewers and even YouTube itself checks to know what you are doing in that channel. Write a clear description and the bat of what your channel offers. Okay, include keywords in that description and let viewers know why they should subscribe. You can end it with some, you can end it with please subscribe for daily posting or weekly posting, just to make viewers feel at home. Okay, now the next thing is playlist organization. Like I always say, playlist is organizing your videos in orderly manner. Okay, don't just dump all of your videos in your channel page. Please create a playlist and put those videos according to what they are each all about in different playlists. For me, I've got 3 playlists on this channel. I've got one on YouTube growth tips, I've got one on editing videos, and I've got one on live stream. Okay, so any video I post, whatever it's about, I just share it, post it to that playlist. Do you understand? Putting your videos in a playlist makes your channel looks professional and also keep people watching. Just imagine you have about 10 videos in one playlist. People that love that videos, they will watch all of the 10 videos once without being taken away from your channel. Your videos will be recommended after each video's play. Do you understand? So it also proves to YouTube that your channel is worth recommending, because you can retain people. Now the next thing is thumbnail and consistency. Consistency is branding. Okay, YouTube actually rewards active creators. If your thumbnails look random and messy, people will not recognize you at all times. They will not recognize your content in recommendations. So for a new creator, choose a thumbnail style. Okay, particular style, a particular color, font, and layout, and just stick with it and let people know that, oh, when they see this thumbnail, they remember it's you because they saw it the last time. Do you understand? I didn't know this when I started as a creator, but over time I was able to find that when your thumbnail is consistent, people remember you. Okay, because they know this is your content. Do you understand? Now the next thing is end screens and cards. Many creators forget to use this and it's really bad, but they are so powerful because YouTube actually uses it to reward people. End screens keep viewers watching more of your videos. So imagine they finish watching one of your videos and another one pops up immediately, and they finish watching that particular video of yours and another one pops up again. That is like 3 videos in a stretch. Just imagine, is that not a lot of views and retention that you need for your channel to grow? And cards as well also help people watch your videos, because you can link a lot of videos just like I did in this video. Now the other thing is the community tab. YouTube is not just about uploading videos. Okay, it's about building a community. Using the community tab and your comment section is very important. Okay, asking viewers questions inside of your videos in your comment section is very important, because the more engagement you drive, the more relationship between your audience, the more YouTube start pushing you. So imagine posting a video and getting up to like 50 comments in that particular video. YouTube will keep pushing that video. Okay, so always interact with your subscribers. If you want your channel to grow, please start by optimizing it. Okay, add a clear title, thumbnails, engage with your audience personally through your community tab and your comment section. So I want to hear from you guys. What what part of your channel do you think needs the most work? Is it your thumbnails or your audience retention or your click-through rate? Which of them? So this is it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.